Realme has just produced yet another phone that's not normal. But it's better if I show you. Wow, okay, it's unique. Music. Realme has just produced yet another phone that's not normal. It's from another planet and it has 10,000, 1 milliampere. No, it's not a mistake. 10,000, 1 milliampere is one of the largest batteries in a commercial smartphone. It's the Realme P4 Power, and I also have another member of the family here, which is the Realme P4 technology. It doesn't have to be boring or complicated. So I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the new Realme P4 Power straight to the point and in friendly language. How about we do the unboxing? Let's start with the P4 Power on the box. We can see it says 5G Realme and all the features which I'll cover in more detail now. But this one has a battery, probably one of the longest lasting batteries on the market. It's one of the kings of battery life. Also, it's a pretty fast charging battery. It's ultra fast charging because you can charge it at 80 watts. It comes with the Dimensity 7400 Ultra and it's 5G. It has a 144 Hz Hyper Glow display, a Sony 50 megapixel camera with OIS and a 4D curved screen. But it's better if I show it to you. Let's see what it's like. So let's open it. Dun, 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 dun. Moment of truth. Make it real, make it real. We found a case. It's always appreciated when phones come with a case. I'm always dropping mine, which means I actually use it. Are you team case or team no case? I'll read your comments. Let me know down below. And here we have the new Realme P4 Power. Let's take off this sticker. Wow! Honestly, it's pretty cool. I'll tell you a lot more about this new Realme smartphone in a bit, but it feels really good. Let's see. Oh, it smells nice. Isn't this a Nishudo video? If I don't give it A, let's get to the new product. Let's turn it on, set it up, and while that's happening, let's see what else we find in the box. I really like this color. We have the lenses here, the flash, and honestly, it has a really cool finish. It has some details that are super, super cool. We have the ATW charger, ultra fast charging, and the SIM pin. There's nothing else in the box. So it's time to set it up. But what do you think if we open the Realme P4 now? Let's see what's in the box. Also, a pretty minimalistic box. The important stuff is inside. Make it real too. Make it real. This is one of their slogans, and we also have the case, which is appreciated. Let's check out the phone. This one is purple. Wow, I like it. Unlike the Power version, this one has the cameras positioned differently. It also has a pretty big battery. This one is 7000 milliampere. It also has fast charging. The screen is AMOLED and the processor is a Snapdragon 685. So now it's time to do what I like the most after smelling the smartphone. I haven't smelled it yet. I'm gonna do that. But it's peeling off the protective film. Bye. There's nothing like a new product. The smell it gives off is delicious. But anyway, let's set it up. But I'm gonna tell you about the Power version, which is the one that blew my mind the most this year, especially because of that huge battery it has.
So, let me tell you more. Hey, you have to see this. It's been a long time since a tool surprised me this much. Look, I'm on Google Meet and in real time. Palabra AI is translating what I'm saying into English. But the craziest thing is that it can do this in a lot of languages. You can translate conversations during meetings on Meet, Zoom, or other platforms, and present to audiences worldwide in different languages.
I can also do it with streams and broadcast, and I can connect to all these sources or do it directly. From Palabra AI, I can do it on multiple ones at the same time. Let's create the stream, and I want you to see how Palabra.ai works. Pasar lo mismo. It translates everything I say and supports multiple languages. I can choose to view the original or English, and I can create offline events with the same. I select the source and languages for real-time translation. Once the channel is created, we can begin. Now let's make it even better. I'll upload an audio sample to create my own voice.
Men, of course, don't understand anything. For them, the stars are just little lamps. That's my voice. Do you get how crazy this is? You can create content in any language. There are so many things you can do, and there's an ideal plan for every user.
If you use the link below or promo code Andres30, you'll get 30 off at palabra.ai. Now you see why I'm impressed. Do we have the video?
Well, now that you've seen the unboxing of the new Realme P4 Power, let me tell you a bit about what I like the most and my first impressions. The first thing is its design, but what impresses me the most is that it weighs only 219 grams. That's sometimes what you ask for at the supermarket in hand. Other features you can use daily are that you can unlock it with your finger, and the fingerprint reader is underneath the screen. Many smartphones already have this feature, but I wanted to mention it because I like it. Especially when it's turned over and doesn't detect your face, you just put your finger and boom, you're straight into your smartphone. Now listen to these numbers, they're real data. You can watch up to 32.5 hours of YouTube straight, 7.7 hours of gaming on BGMI, or 21.4 hours of continuous browsing. But there's a new feature from Realme called Superpower Saving, which can give you up to 46.8 hours on standby. What blows my mind the most about this phone is what they've achieved with the battery. It's unique in the smartphone world, at least among mass-produced ones. There's no other smartphone like this. And also, it's really cool that you can use it as a power bank for your friends because it has 27-watt reverse charging, and that's wirelessly. But also, if you connect it with a cable, it's much higher and can recharge up to 50% of an iPhone 17 Pro's battery in just 27 minutes. Other cool things, especially for the price, is that it runs on the Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G processor built on 4 nanometers. Therefore, all your games, apps, and features will run smoothly. And also, there's something else that's pretty cool. It has something called bypass charging, and what this does is that when you're charging it, the power goes directly to the system. Let's say it doesn't go through the battery, and therefore it won't overheat. Experience and performance will be optimal at 100% on the phone since it isn't processing that charge. Anyway, it has a lot of technology that honestly surprises me. I hadn't seen it in many smartphones and I'm really liking it. I have to say the design right off the bat is pretty cool, and well, thanks to this system. Realme tells us that it's going to give us battery health for 8 years. And the battery can still have more than 94% health after 3 years of heavy use. As for the screen, it's a hyper glow that runs at 144 Hz and reaches a maximum brightness of 6500 nits, which makes this smartphone perfect for whatever you're going to use it for, whether it's gaming or using your apps. Whether you're in the dark or in the sun, the screen won't reflect. Another really cool thing besides this color is this cyberpunk design, where you can see the essence, the details, even the circuits, real screws, and the NFC induction coil, which is cool. Now, it's also quite durable since it has IP69, IP68, and IP66 certifications, so it can be submerged up to 2 meters. Now, Nishudo, what's up with the camera? You're probably wondering about that. Wait. I'll tell you more about the camera and show you a video of it in real use.
Look, this is the camera, so you can see the audio quality and the video quality. I don't have a stabilizer, and I'm also recording directly with the audio from this camera. There's no external microphone, so you can see the quality. You can record in 4K at 30 frames per second, like this video, and for photos as well. It has a main Sony lens with 50 megapixels and several AI features. So what do you think? What do you think about the camera?
Let me know in the comments. And another cool thing is that if you like listening to music on your phone, on your smartphone, it has an ultra boom speaker that actually sounds pretty good, guys.